4 chicken thighs and some homemade spice rub is all you need.
So we're going to make a quick and easy chicken that we can cook on the grill. We bring the chicken from home. This is a rub that I actually made out of 2 or 3 different rubs that it's getting down low to the bottom. It's a little spicy. This should be good on a chicken thigh. Shake a little in your bag. You want to keep the messes down to a minimum. So you're just going to shake it around in the bag. Shake it around in the bag. You can flip it over, let a little air out, and you can see how well that seasons it all around. All of them should have flavor on them. And then when the grill is ready, we'll just take them out there and put them on the grill.
So we're going to use a charcoal chimney starter with Kingsford charcoal. Link to that's below if you're interested. I've used it for years and love it. Dragon knuckle gloves are another one of my favorites. Keeps your hands safe from the fire. And as you can see, I pick up a lot of hot stuff using them. I've had several pairs. I love them all. I only put the charcoal on half of the grill. I'm going to offset cook the thighs. Make sure you adjust the vents. I start out with them mostly closed because I only want it to get up to about 300 degrees. As you can see, it's raining. It's up there about close to where I want it, 300 degrees, so we're going to go ahead and clean the grill off. You can hear the rain pretty hard now. We go ahead and put the chicken thighs on. Like I said, I'm offset cooking them, so we're going to go on the cool side of the grill. Checking on to see where they're at. This is probably about 40-45 minutes in to the cook time. You can hear them sizzling. It's Kingsford's glowing. These are the adjusters where you adjust the vents to get your temperature where you want it. I want the temperature to go up pretty high right now so I can crisp up the chicken. So I went ahead and opened up the vent on the bottom and on the top a little bit more so I can get it up to a pretty hot temperature while the chicken's in there. The deer were watching me, as you can see, while I was cooking. They're always fun to see. You see I get it up pretty hot there, about 400, 450. The chicken is looking beautiful. I'm going to check it with my Thermo Pro Instant Read Thermometer. I love these as well. I give them out as gifts. They're great stocking stuffers. If you know anybody that likes to cook indoors and out. There's a floor that I worked on last summer. I'll have pictures of that later on. Nice crispy chicken. And I decided to go ahead and serve it up on a salad that I had brought with me. Turned out delicious. Greek feta cheese salad.